Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today, we're diving into a foundational step of any data analysis pipeline, reading and writing data in text format using Python and Pandas. Whether your data is coming from CSV files, this video will equip you with essential techniques to handle them. Reading and writing text files with CSV and TXT. Let's begin with the basics, reading data from CSV or text files using Pandas. We use pd.read_CSV or to load comma-separated files directly into a data frame. Import Pandas as pddf equals pd.read_sample_data/content/California_housing_train.csv print df.head. You can also specify your own column names, treat specific columns as indexes, and handle missing values with parameters like names equals, index_call equals, and na_values equals. To export this data back into a file, df.to_csv output.csv index equals false. You can change the delimiter using sep equals or even setna_rep equals nul to mark missing values. Reading text files in pieces, chunking large files. When working with large datasets, reading the entire file can crash your system or take forever. That's where chunk size comes in. Import Pandas as pd-hash. Read CSV in chunks chunkar equals pd.read_sample_data/California_housing_train.csv, chunk size equals 1000 hash. Define what to do with each chunk def process. Chunk. Hash example, print the average of the median_house_value, column print. Chunk, median_house_value.mean. Hash. This lets you process your file in manageable pieces, ideal for real-time dashboards or memory-efficient batch jobs. That's it. And there you have it, a complete toolkit to read, write, and process data across formats, from CSV to feeds. These techniques are the building blocks of modern data analytics. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.